Hey everyone, welcome to the Look Fantastic YouTube channel. My name is KARDI BLAC and I am here to teach you how to do this fabulous Daphne inspired Halloween look. Before we start, make sure you are subscribed to this channel, hit the like button down below and tap the notification bell to keep updated on future Look Fantastic videos. To get started, I already did my brows off camera and I'm going to first prime the eyes with my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade Ivory, patting on the concealer with a flat eye brush. For eyeshadow, I'm first going to take this individual MAC eyeshadow in the shade Power to the Purple and start mapping out my crease. We are going for a full purple cut crease look today with a dash of green. To blend our first shade out, I'm taking the shade D3 from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Novena 2 palette. This hot pink will make the purple really blend into the skin. To add some drama and depth to the crease, I'm going to take the shade E5, which is a matte black. I'm just blending this into the bottom of the crease. Now it's time to cut the crease. I cut my crease with a makeup wipe and a spatula, believe it or not. I wrap the wipe around the spatula and remove the eyeshadow to create a super sharp line. Make sure to use a strong oil-based wipe to help remove the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to reapply the L'Oreal concealer back onto my lid, so we can add the green eyeshadow and create a bold liner moment. For our pop of green, I'm going to start with the shade E3 on a flat but fluffy brush and create a liner shape that extends outwards. Next, I'm going to blend out the first green shade with the shade B1, which is the true Daphne green, blending this out with a big fluffy brush. To add a hint of sparkle, I'm going to take the shade A3, which is a lime green shimmer, and blend this on the inner part of the lid for that extra pop. Finally, I'm going to take MAC's Extra Dimension eyeshadow in shade Ready to Party to create a light lavender shimmer right under the crease. To add a little safety net for our lashes, I used the MAC Technical Liner in shade Graph Black to create a fake lash line to help hide our lashes later. Now it's time for the face. I'm priming the skin first with the Elemis Superfood Primer, which adds a gorgeous glow to the skin. Now taking my all-time favourite foundation, the MAC Studio Fix in shade NW18, and patting this into the face with a big buffing brush. To conceal and highlight, I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer again in shade Porcelain, and placing this into the highlight areas and blending it out with a small buffing brush. To set the whole face, I prefer pressed powder foundations. I'm taking MAC Mineralized Skinfinish in shade Medium Tan to set the whole face. Then I'm taking MAC Studio Fix in shade NC15 onto the highlighted areas. For bronzer, I'm using my all-time favourite bronzer, MAC's Dark Tan, and taking the bronzer onto the cheekbones, under the jaw and onto the forehead to act as a warm contour to my face. I even took the bronzer onto the nose to help shape the nose more. For blush, I'm taking the Illamasqua blush in shade Hussy, which is a vibrant coral pink. I'm taking a lot of this blush and placing it right above the bronzer and even just a tad onto the forehead. For highlighter, I'm actually using MAC's Extra Dimension Skinfinish in shade Beaming Blush to use as a blush topper. This adds a subtle glow to the blush whilst keeping the bold colour. I also quickly went off camera to add my own lashes and to quickly add some under eye eyeshadow. For the lips, I'm taking MAC's lip liner in the shade Spice, which is a perfect coral nude. For lipstick, I'm taking the MAC Love Me lipstick in the shade Vanity Bonfire, which is a gorgeous hot corally pink moment, perfect for Daphne's look. And there we have it everyone, I've added this gorgeous wig and outfit and I'm feeling the full Daphne fantasy. Thank you all for watching this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe to the Look Fantastic YouTube channel.